Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Nothing phone. First of all, thank you to MyStroop for providing us with this phone today. So to hide your number, you want to go to your phone and then click on these three little buttons there. Click on settings and then go to calling accounts and then click on your provider and go to additional settings. I personally think it's pretty hidden. People just don't want you to hide your number. Then you click on caller ID and then you have to choose between network default, hide number and show number. We want to hide our number, so we click on hide number and then it says number hidden in outgoing calls. Maybe you want to fool somebody, maybe you want it to be a surprise, whatever you want to do with your hidden number. Your number is now hidden. So that's how you hide your number on your Nothing phone. If you ever want to change that again, you just go back these steps and then click on network default or show number, whatever you want, and then go back. So that's how you hide your number on your Nothing phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope you see you next time. Bye.